Well, hey there, Ghost Cats and Ghost Kittens. I am at Polaris in Huntsville, Alabama. We're taking a look at the Slingshot 10th Anniversary Edition. It should be fun.
Slingshot 10 is the most exclusive and premium slingshot that we've ever made. It's a great product to commemorate a huge milestone for the business, 10 years of Slingshot being in the marketplace. It has exclusive 10th anniversary styling inside and out, from premium exclusive paint to 10th anniversary badging on the outside. We've got really premium finishes and touches on the inside, heated and cooled seats, wrapped steering wheel, our most premium audio kit, and interior lighting. It is absolutely a showstopper. This limited edition is great. You should go to your dealer and check it out.